this?
An elephant. Elephant.
Raise your hand.
Oh, an elephant?
It's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Yeah, it is. Okay, miming. Simple game. Great to practice vocabulary. Here we go. Activity vocabulary, like playing computer games, playing an instrument, etc. Okay? So, we'll do another one.
You're playing guitar.
Yeah, okay. You are playing guitar.
You are playing the guitar.
Now, Andrea, you are in the middle. Here you go. And you're gonna mime.
Something easy. Oh, okay.
You're playing foot. You're playing
Playing football. You are playing football. Yes, I am.
Excellent. Remember, you gotta raise your hand. You gotta raise your hand. Okay. Another one, Heather. Go.
You're surfing. You're. Yes.
Yeah, you're surfing. Okay.
Hey, my turn.
Somebody's. Okay.
I like one.
Okay. This one.
Okay.
Oh, you're playing chess?
Yes, excellent. Okay, and you can continue this way or change it.